I'm here to talk about money. Let's start from the beginning. Before money, people traded all sorts of things. Fish, livestock, human skulls. We have always needed a method for trading our time, effort, and resources. Money is our way of exchanging productivity, a stable store of value. Now, the idea of saving a surplus goes all the way back to Mesopotamia, where communities produced more food and goods than they immediately consumed, storing grain and vegetables aside for lean years.
And what do people do with their surplus today?
Do they spend it? Do they hoard it in their basement? Or do they put it to work and invest it and make it grow? Unlike savings, which prioritizes easy access to cash, investing aims for higher returns by allocating money to assets like stocks, where the value is likely to increase over time. So what exactly is a stock, and what makes it valuable? Well, a stock represents fractional ownership in a business. When you buy a share, you own a small piece of that business. And if the business performs well, the value of your shares increase over time. Check out our next video, What is a Stock? Part 2, the IPO process. For more investing content, subscribe to our channel here on YouTube and check out our Patreon for sample portfolios and more. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute personalized financial advice.